In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sign up for a free account and complete your basic profile setup. Start by heading to the website and looking to the upper right corner of the page. You should see a button that says try it for free. Go ahead and click that. On some layouts, it might say start free or free trial, but it will be in the same area and take you to the sign up screen. On the sign up page, you can either use your email with a secure password or continue with your Google account. If you choose email, pick a strong password you'll remember, long, unique, and not used elsewhere. If you continue with Google, your browser may prompt you to confirm which account you want to use and what permissions you're granting. Review those, then continue. Next, you'll be asked for your first and last name. Enter them as you'd like them to appear in your account and any communications. Accurate names can help support teams assist you faster if you ever need help. You'll then be asked where you're located and for a phone number. Choose your country or region from the list and type your number carefully, including the correct country code if needed. Some platforms use this for verification or important notifications. If you prefer not to receive marketing messages, look for any opt-in checkboxes on the page and set them the way you want. Once those fields are complete, click. Next, to proceed, you'll see a form requesting a few more details. Fill out the information that's required. These fields are usually marked clearly. Provide only what's needed to tailor your experience, such as your role or how you plan to use the service, if those questions appear. If a field is optional and not relevant to you, it's okay to skip it. Before you finalize, take a moment to review everything you've entered. Double-check for typos in your contact details and make sure any drop-down selections reflect your actual preferences. When everything looks good, click Save. The page should confirm that your information has been saved, and you'll either land in your new dashboard or see a prompt guiding you to the next step within the product. If the form highlights anything in red or shows an error, scroll back, correct the specific field, and hit Save again. That's all there is to it. Click Try it for free, choose your sign-up method, add your name, location, and phone number, click Next, complete any remaining required fields, and then save. You're ready to explore your new account.